Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about this one. Now we put the negative for the both sides. So this one we have positive number 7. Now we have the formula in here. So we have the negative side. So we can swap the top and the bottom together. So we have the integration from B to A. So this one, that is about the integration from number 2 to number 6. And the result we keep the same. That is about number 7. Now let's go to the next one. So I need to draw the diagram in here. So we see that we have the integration from number 6 to negative number 3. On the question, we want to find the result from negative number 3 or from number 2 to negative number 3. So the first thing, we need to know that we have the integration from number 6 to number 2 and from number 2 to negative number 3. So we need to find about the integration from negative number 3 to number 2. So I'll just draw the diagram to illustrate about this one. So we want to find only this integration. So that means we need to use the integration from number 6 or from negative number 3 to number 6. We minus about this integration. So we can have this value in here. So that means this one, that is about number 11. We minus about this integration. That's it in here. So we calculate this one. And we have number 4. So the integration from negative number 3 to number 2. That is about number 4. However, they just concentrate the integration from number 2 to negative number 3. So we put the negative for the both sides. And now we need to swap the top and the bottom together. And we have the integration from number 2 to negative number 3. And now we have negative number 4. So we put negative number 4 with positive number 4 in here. And we have negative number 16. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.